Hi, eLVCD participants. Welcome back. I hope you had a nice break. Let's get ready for another exciting learning experience with the eLVCD course Phase 3 Mobilizing and Building the Capacity of Producers Groups. In this third phase, we are going to focus on the interaction with producers that will help them to organize into groups, build their functional capacity, and plan initiatives for future implementation. As usual, we have the general forum here. If you have any questions or if you would like to share about your stories, you can share it in this general forums. And then we also have offline materials. If you're planning to go to the field during this phase, you can try to download the offline materials here so you can read them offline in your own time away from the computer so that when you are online, you can focus on the participating in workshop forums and activities. And then also don't forget at the end of this phase, you will need to submit your learning journal. This phase, we have provided you with the how you will be assessed. So for phase 3 course, each activity will have different scoring criteria and will be assessed as attached in this document. Then now let's start it with the week 1. Week 1, we are going to learn about establishing producers groups. So we will going to learn through this story quiz, and then we have provided you with the resource about the benefit of the producers groups and how to engage with producers groups. Then we will learn about how to build trust in producers groups. So in the past 7 years, I support the eLVCD project. I found one of the major challenges is how to build trust in producers groups. So please share about your story, about your tips on how you build trust in your producers groups. We're going to have it in the next 5 weeks, and at the end of week 5, we're going to summarize all your thoughts and provide feedback for this activity. Then we move to week 2 and 3 activities where we're going to learn about facilitating the action plan workshop. So after you did the value chain analysis, write the report, now it's the time for you to present it to all the key stakeholders, including government, NGOs, and all other your key partners. So we are going to learn about this through the team activity on top 10 action planning tips. So what needs to happen before, during, and after the action planning. And we also have provided you with the action planning tools here. And then for the individual activity, we would like you to share your action plans. Remember, this is the Producers Group Action Plan, not World Vision. So we're not asking your AOP or your DIP. This is your Producers Group's action plan. You can have a look on the example of the Timor-Leste action plan, and then you can use these templates. And then this is the resources on how we did an action planning workshop with the Producers Group. Then we move to the last week, week 4 and 5, where we are going to learn about the capacity building for producers groups. We are going to learn about the 5 skill set of producers groups. We are going to learn about group organization and management skill, about financial skill, innovation skill, marketing skills, and also their natural resources management skill. We have also provided you with heaps of training materials that you can download it for free to be used for the capacity building for your producers groups. And we will learn on how to assess producers group capacity. We have provided you with the checklist here. And then we are going to learn about 70-20-10 rule to understand why training is not always the answer. And then for your individual activity, you will need to design the capacity building plan for your producers group. That's all for the phase 3. Congratulations. By the end of this phase 3, you actually have completed 70% of the e-course. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you need any support, and good luck.